It is time for a beach party. Howdy, 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 howdy. Time to build a fire. Let's cook some fish. Best stew in the whole wide world. South Africa representing. It's gonna be a good time. Ladies and gentlemen. All right, fire time. What's going on, guys? Good afternoon. It is time for a beach party. We've been killing, thrilling, chilling, and we're ready to start grilling. We've got a bunch of lobster. We've got some really nice big mutton snapper that Boss Man Bo right there shot the other day. We scaled it, gutted it, and scoured it, froze it. Now we've got it seasoned and wrapped and stuffed, and we're gonna throw it over the fire with a bunch of lobster tails that we've killed. I think like 9 or 10 lobsters.
Close your eyes.
I just don't open my eyes.
Thank you. Coming at you. Thank you.
Jaden, what type of fish is that?
It is a mutton snapper. Delicious.
So we don't put all of the food in that?
We're gonna put some down and we're gonna cook it off with some as well.
Jaden.
Yep, hold on, baby girl.
I know the tail is out.
Okay, I'll get it.
Now that looks like a fish.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna cook the fish. And then we've got some lobster here. And I'm going to grill the lobsters as well.
Watch for the campfire.
That's right, I'm making really good food for us for the campfire. That's correct, baby girl. Bunch of lobster tails that we've killed. I think like 9 or 10 lobsters over the last few days. And we're gonna go swim at the beach and enjoy the afternoon.
Right on.
Sound like a plan?
Right
Let's
on.
do this. We got everything packed. We got the kids and the ladies on the beach already. Last thing we need to pack is beers. Very last second we pull those out. Wow. Forgetting the koozies. You got the lawn chair to lay at the low tide on the beach and forget the koozie? All right, water, beer, margarita. Let's go do a camp out and grill on the beach. I gotta bring the grill racks, but I gotta figure out how to set those down.
Very nice.
How very nice.
Drinking marks.
That was a whole marg, yeah. Oh, it's got salt water in it. Got that on camera. It's a no wake zone, man. No, 2 drinks down. Mine's down.
What's on that? One down. Yeah. Mine's still going down. But really, he just does gear work.
Not private.
Howdy, 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 howdy,
Favorite
howdy.
item on the boat.
Here, I'll hand you that. That's the dangerous item. This is the precious item. Okay. And now we got the rest. It's beautiful. I know I need to go swimming and cool off already. Whoa, bro. We didn't steal that from a lumber yard, did we?
I wouldn't.
And what are we doing today?
Making a fire pit.
Where are you putting it?
Are we collecting firewood?
Yeah, I got yours.
On that palm is appropriate because we'll have it right behind it. Very nice. Time to enjoy.
I'm waiting to find the wiggly thing.
All right, it's hot. Init tayo. Time to go for a swim.
Back down. There's a bunch of baby barracudas right here. You gotta come see the barracudas.
As soon as she comes out every morning, I get this big snuggle and it's like, all right. No, she's like, oh wait, the daddy girl method works on this guy too? We're going on. X marks the spot. Dig down and find out. Pile it on this side, right here. Put it all right here. Okay, you put the piles here. Yep. Turn. Right there. Perfect. Keep piling it right there. Be very careful, okay? Watch your toes. Nice. All right, so we got to figure out where's the proper cooking height and where the coals are going to go. So we know that we're going to cook on top of this one, right? So we need something to keep the coals above the wet sand. So this one's going to be the one that holds the coals above the wet sand. That's why we built it like we did. See that? So now the coals go on there. And then this will go like that. And we're gonna cook some dinner and we can adjust it and figure it out from there. But yeah, that's what we're gonna cook dinner on, bruh. And we're gonna help build up this dune. You're gonna help me build this dune a little bit here to block the wind and keep the wind sweeping right here. So you're gonna come help me with that in a minute, and then we're gonna start building the rest of the fire. You ready? Let's do this. Start the fire with me. Alright, let's start the fire. Yep, alright, let's go. Hello, everybody. Not yet, I'm about to. All right, so in essence of everything, totally taking it the righteous way. I've got some Kingsford. Oh yeah, and then I've got some Kingsford charcoal lighter fluid. It's tough, everything's wet and green here on the beach, and there's a breeze and there's moisture in the air, so I don't want to hear nothing. I try to do things fancy. Been around the block with fires and cooking. Appreciate the love. Let all the fumes and all the other stuff burn off, and let's cook some fish. Bang off some of the rust and sand. Magic hour. It's one of my favorite times of day right now. She's bringing the kitchen. Best stew in the whole wide world. South Africa representing. Yes. All right. We are not sponsored by Kingsford, but we could be.
What's that?
Kingsford. Shooting a promo for him right here.
What's your dead fire?
Yeah, no, that's not dead. They're all lit. See how,
wait, I'm in your shop.
see how they're all getting white and puffy?
We done cook with chocolate.
Yeah, the briquettes are all hot and ready, and they're gonna keep going, and then they'll be perfect here in a few minutes.
Then why did we get firewood?
Because that's for the fire later. We don't want to cook on that.
We did it before.
Yeah, well, Explains a lot. All right, most people won't tell you, but this is the real tricky part here. I've got everything in here from fresh, fully wrapped stuffed fish to cabbage. I got hot dogs and rice for the kids. I got a garlic butter jar getting ready to start warming up here on the edge of the fire. And then I've got a whole pan of seasoned lobster tails at the bottom. Everything's about to get on the fire right now. The only trick here is, they don't talk about this in the fancy videos, keeping all the sand off everything. It's a trick. Yeah. I have the garlic butter rotating here on the edge of the heat. Heat's blowing this way. I got the kids up first. Kids' dogs are rolling back and forth on sides on those. We're gonna get those done. Fire's looking spectacular. And it should light up real good for, oh yeah, that's gonna be so good, that garlic butter. Look at that. It's garlic butter with a little lime wedge. Dinner's going to be amazing, but take a look at that. Cheers. Let's get this dinner rolling. Fish on. Oh yeah. All right. So what I've got is one whole mutton snapper stuffed and wrapped, and then I've got 9 lobster tails under here. Those are gonna sizzle for a minute. That's gonna start heating. It is completely off the heat, if you can see. I've got the fish offset. There's not even any coals underneath it, but there's enough heat radiating. And then I've got the lobster claws steaming off real quick in the pan, sealed up with all that flavor that's in there. They're gonna steam off for just a little bit. Then we're gonna take them, we're gonna grill them and let the shell do the rest of the work. It's gonna be yummy. And then of course we've got this big bucket of garlic butter right here, rolling in the deep. Oh yes. Delicious garlic butter. Yes. All right. It's gonna be a good time. All right, first rotation there. Lobsters first, and rotate the fish. Now here in a minute, I'm gonna actually flip those where fish is directly on the heat and the lobster tails are off. Then I'm gonna uncover the lobster tails, then put them directly on the flame. Hey, Michelle, if you take this and help me fold it into half and fold it into a little quarter again, it'll be a perfect little handheld plate. She's got it. She gets it, folks. She gets it.
Sorry.
Gotta have plates for the kids. Okay, the big reveal. Here comes the big reveal. Oh.
Ooh, that looks good.
Oh yeah. That's how we wanted to see it right there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go! Final round here. Lobsters are rolling. Ooh, that's hot.
A bunch of lobster tonight.
All right. All right. That's the last of it there. Let it roll. I'm gonna spread out the coals and let everything kind of cool down a little bit. And dinner is served. Not bad, you guys. We just tore up the lobster tail. We got a few left. There's a chunk in the butter here. Got a couple more in the rice right there.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Careful, 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 careful. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Barbecued snapper.
Get ready. Nice, bro.
Big mutton snapper.
Let's break the limb.
Alright.
This limb.
Oh yeah.
Levy's right there by Daddy.
No, no scales. This is completely scaled. That's all just pure skin. Alright.
Right back on my knees.
Fish. Big top loin.
Well, I don't have to throw.
Straight
Put your legs up.
snapper.
I'm gonna just make it.
Right off the bone.
Sand. We're not playing with sand right now.
Look at that. Boom.
Go rinse off, dude.
Alright.
Can we?
Oh yeah. Pick that whole shoulder blade off. Look at all that stuffed onions inside. Juicy. Oh, there you go, bro. Yes, sir. Right over here at the light.
Hang on.
Don't burn your toes.
That's that belly meat. Better than restaurant quality.
Yeah?
Right here.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Nom 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 nom. That's what's up right there.
No spinning or anything.
All right.
That is sauce.
Mule right there.
Yeah.
Best up fish I've had.
Woo, that's hot. All right. Here's the moment of truth here. Pull the head up. Set that to the side. Now I should be able to grab the spine. I can't see anything. Yeah. Woo. Oh my God. Yes, look at all that meat. Let's go. Yes. All right, fire time. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Fire. Cheers. It's a beautiful evening. All right, you guys, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like episodes like this and you had fun with us today on the water here in the Bahamas, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe.
A few minutes later.
Cheers, you guys. We'll see you back on the boat. Just another day in paradise. Woo!